everyone and welcome back to Arts and Nails Nailology by Dipanita, and in today's video I'm going to share with you my experience of shopping from Urbanic. So please keep on watching if you are interested and if you have been wondering anything about Urbanic. So by the end of this video I hope you guys will be helped and decide for yourself whether to buy or not to buy from Urbanic. So this video is mainly for those who are doubtful about trusting Urbanic, and I quite understand this concern. The concern is quite legitimate because so many fraud websites are popping up every day, so it gets really difficult to trust any new online shopping website. So I myself got help from YouTube, and YouTube is a really nice platform where so many YouTubers are uploading their honest reviews and experiences so that you can go ahead and decide for yourself after watching the reviews whether you can try that site or that product or not. So I am making the video from that point of view itself to help my subscribers, my followers and my friends, and those who were doubtful about Urbanic and unsure whether to shop from Urbanic or not. So I will share with you my honest opinion about the Urbanic shopping experience. So this is how the website looks like. It's pretty similar to Shein and all the products will look pretty much similar. I tried to check out where the products are coming from. They initially showed me somewhere from Europe in Google, but when the shipment came I found that it's coming from China itself. No wonder. So anyway, I am going to share with you the clothing that I bought. It's really a mini haul. I just wanted to try for the first time, so I did not go overboard. And I also opted for cash on delivery because no matter how much review any YouTuber gives you or Google or any other user gives you, it's still better to stay on the safe side. So I opted for cash on delivery because I don't want to waste away my hard-earned money in some fraud website. So that was a trust issue in the beginning, but once I shopped I found the products came really nicely, and it took about 2 weeks for them to deliver the products. It's coming from China, so it will take some time to clear the customs and all, so that's normal. And once the products came I was really happy with the products, and I'm going to show you by wearing the clothings so you can see for yourself how good quality the products are, and I am totally satisfied and happy with the products I got. So without any further ado I'll show you straight away the products that I got. So the outfits came in a big cardboard box like this, and the packaging was strong and firm, and the clothing came inside these Ziploc bags. So I purchased this sweater dress which is available in more colors, and I should have gone for a smaller size. I opted for M size, though S would have fit me much more better, but this was the only option available and I had to get this one because I liked it so much. And the customer reviews in the site are really helpful. They advised to go for a size smaller than usual, but I had to get it. The next is this pink coat, and it's a really good quality product. The material of these clothings are not thin or bad quality ones or cheap quality ones. They are really nice and fits nicely, and I'm showing you a close-up view of the clothings. So I am really happy with the purchase. I really love these clothings, and even at the back side of the sweater dress you will not see any stray threads, and the knitting is really perfect. So the clothes are decent and nice, and for the price they are good. I mean, they're not cheap and they're not really expensive either, so the price factor is so-so. But please make sure to order well in advance because they will take at least 20 days to deliver, and they inform you in the website itself while you are ordering that it will take around 20 days at least. And that was the same for me. I ordered on 4th of January, which meant 24th January sharp, so it was totally just a matter of 20 days. But I recently checked that they're delivering faster now, and COD is available for orders over $9.90. It was the earlier also, and the return policy is nicely written. Also, there are some flash sales and other discounts going on in the website all the time. Now the important thing is it the only option to get similar things in the Indian market or any market near your home? Maybe, probably, you have to search for it. Maybe some pieces of clothing are rare and you can only get it in the Urbanic website, so you have to check for yourself. Maybe you will get the same products at a cheaper price in a local market, I don't know. But if you want to try Urbanic, you can go ahead and buy a few items of clothing, but if you're not very unsure, please go for cash on delivery only because you never know. So that was it for today's video and my review and experience of organic shopping. So hope you guys are helped by this video and you can go ahead and try something for organic. So if you have liked this video, make sure you put a big thumbs up on this, comment down below and share this video with your friends, those who need it and those who are eager to buy from organic. Those who are still unsure about buying from organic, hope it helps them. So don't you forget to subscribe to my channel because I, Dipannita, am always there for you to help you guys with my helpful videos. So please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this as much as possible and see you super soon with more videos. Bye bye.